Hi, I'm Paul at One Man One Dog. So this is Dog Miles, dog walking for health, and if you can see behind me, we're up at Windy Hill and we're heading up to White Hill. So I think it's a mile to the top. I'm with my mate Russell from Rusky's Adventures. I'll put a link to his videos and his channel at the end. We've only walked a little bit, but just have a look at this view. All the wind farms in the distance. See if you can zoom in on them. Seen this camera. Seen the dead cat on it. Orion! Thinks it's a teddy. Orion, what's this? Do you want some treats? Orion, look. Just getting the drone out. We're heading that way, up there. I'll say that again. Right, Russell's flew the drone, so it's very windy, but he's trying out new filters that he's got for it. So he wanted to give it a go. So we're heading up to the trig point now, which is this way, white dot in the distance. Right, so we're at the trig point. It's been 0.96 mile, nearly a mile. Sun setting, the skylarks are singing. Okay, so we're at the trig point, like we said. The sun's setting, we're doing a few time lapses, and Russ has got the drone out, so we're just chilling out at the top for a bit. That's my camera falling over. Right, okay, so we've been an hour from leaving the car to getting to the top and filming and everything, so we're heading back now before the sun sets because we've only got one head torch between us. Right, but look at this sunset.
Because I'm an idiot and forgot to bring mine. I weren't prepared.
And I don't know whether mine's charged either because I've just picked it up and not used it for months.
We'll strap the phones to the drone and we'll have it above us so we can see.
Yeah, yeah. Like a spotlight at a stadium.
It's going to be a good video for us. But look at the nature stick to ourselves.
Look at that for a sunset. Don't know how good the cameras pick it up. Right, so we're about 10 minutes away from the car. You can just see the pylon down there. So I'm going to end it here. So this has been Dog Miles, dog walking for health, and we've been hiking. So thanks for watching. If you like this content, think about subscribing. Right, so that's it. Yeah.
Oh, is it straight now?
No, it bends a bit. Right, okay, so there's going to be a link at the end to Russell's channel and his drone footage and his adventure channel, and there's going to be a link to mine. So Orion's done a lot of barking and I think he'll sleep tonight. So
see you later, guys.
right,
Take
thanks
care.
for watching. Bye.
Bye.